Today is August 4th, 2026, Tuesday. Yesterday had a bad day, set some stop losses way beyond what it was supposed to be. That what happened when you go manual. But first and foremost, I want to thank the Most High for this day. It's cloudy. It's a lovely day, though. We got life. We got arms. We got legs, eyes, ears. We can comprehend. Just want to say, thank him for the opportunity to trade and just so grateful for life, that we here and that we can. Because once it's over, it's over. There's no coming back. So from right now to then, you got to do as much as you possibly can to, leave your legacy. That's what it's about. Is it prosperity? Is it just being a good person? Well, today we're going to hop into trading. And my whole purpose here is just to give you a little bit of motivation, showing you what can happen when things go right and how to mitigate and cut losses short when things go wrong. And that's in life. We got to make better decisions for our family, for ourselves. We just got to make things happen. So today, I hope it's a special day. I'm always looking for that gold mine in Augusto. But however, you take what you can and you live to trade another day. So we're going to go ahead and hop into this technical analysis. And then we're going to hop into the live pre-market. And then we're going to do some review to see what we could have did better and go from there. That's all it's about, refining that system. So let's get this day started. Hope everybody have a good one. Let's trade. So now, let's dig into this technical analysis. I think I'm live. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this window down and get this party started. We streaming, we recording, and that's where we at. All right, sound good. So now we're gonna go dig into this technical analysis. Like I say, I always like to start off on a 1 hour time frame. See what's going on. I know yesterday the stocks exploded, rally a lot. I caught a little bit off of some 760 call options, 0 day to expire. So right now you see they went bananas yesterday, but I'm still gonna do the same thing I always do: break it down, delete all my drawings, start fresh. All right, so I see the swing. We had a gap right here. Got the swing from here to here. So that's all I'm focusing on today. So now we got our order block. I'm gonna go ahead and identify that. Call this 1 hour plus OB. Got a 1 hour order block. Really the change of character occurred down here. But this is our swing. This will be our new swing, our micro swing. So I'm gonna go here too, SPY. It's my 5-minute chart. Okay, so now I'm on my 1 hour. Boom. See the fair value gap that occurred. I'm looking for other gaps that occurred throughout the day closer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it right here. It's gonna be my fair value gap. That's all we're seeing is imbalance. So 1 hour plus FVG. So it's my 1 hour fair value gap. It's my swing. Now we got pre-market. We got a gap right here that's already mitigated, as you can tell. So this is our fair value gap right here on the micro level, which is already mitigated and already tapped. So for it to break the drill, that'd be an entry. Right now, we are making higher highs, higher lows, but we having a consolidation phase right here. It look like a bullish flag is setting up. So what I mean by a bullish flag, I'll go to it right here. Just draw your trend lines. and bam, it'd be a measured move. So I'm gonna go from here to here. So basically we'll get to this 160 and possibly flip. So that's a possible setup right there. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a long position. Put it at the stop loss, 1 to 2. Bring it up some more. Now I got 2.86. As you can tell right here, 2.86 risk reward ratio. That's a good call move. Like I said, fair value gap right here already has been mitigated. So it got weaker. Really, I would like to see this pull into the fair value gap and get some more strength before I even tap in. That's when I read the DOM. I set my stop loss at the drill. The edge. So now I got a risk reward ratio 3 to 1. So basically, the price, if I spend $50, I want to make 150. I'm risking 50, so I want to make 150 just off of that one move. Okay. So now I'm gonna look at some confluency factors. We got the CBD made a lower low, so we could possibly see a flip in this price. So now I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. I'm gonna try to see what happened last time. We got 9 minutes to market open, so I'm just coming up with just 2 opening drive plays. So 4 hour. And this is what we had happen last time. We are at the top, that's the thing. And we at a place where the order block has been never mitigated before. So I'm scrolling into this 4 hour time frame to see what happened. And boom, here we go. We got an order block. Expand this. Right here, this your order block where it started to all happen. Price mitigated back to this order block and collapsed. Got a new order block. Price mitigated back to this order block and collapsed. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and say this. It already's been mitigated once, so it's weaker. I'm gonna say bear. I'm gonna say just negative. Well, 1 out, 4 hour. Negative. Order block. And I'm gonna change that color as well. You know, I like to see colors kind of help me decide selling or buying, just like the candlesticks. So I got a 4 hour order block, been mitigated once, and we haven't touched it since. But now, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lock this, lock everything. Go back to it to lock it. These areas is what I'm really paying attention to. As you can tell, we have broke out of that order block, so we can't reach an all-time high. We don't know where the price can go, but things is just rallying. So now I'm zoomed in. Look, we found support at that order block. So now I'm just waiting to see what happened. I see this long wick right here. A lot of rejection occurred off of this long wick. Show me a lot of rejection on the 5-minute time frame. I'm gonna slide over to Webull and check out that time frame. So at 9:20, that was just now, we had a long wick. Now I'm on SPY, long wick. Open up my footprint chart. Got my tick chart down here. seeing what's going on. This give me the micro moves, kind of give me a heads up. Price letter 761, a lot of liquidity at 762. So we could possibly reach that 762. 10 ticks. We'll see. I gotta figure out, it's all about reading that letter because this happens first. The price letter happens first. Then after you see that, you'll see the time will change. So you'll see the time in sales. You got buy trades and sell trades at this price level. So right now, my buy trades, sell trades, they're getting real aggressive right now as we go down. So it was at 56, but you can see the buying aggression and selling aggression, and this will pop up on the time of sales. For example, you'll see it. First 5 minutes, I ain't gonna pay too much attention to it. So now we got that wick footprint. Want to see if that was one of my trigger candles. That's how I play the market open. And it got a lot of seller imbalance already right here at the 760 level. 762. We got some seeing what's going on. If they can overcome this balance, I would hop in at 761. So 761.46. So I'm gonna slide back to my 5 minute. I'm gonna find that. Am I already in? So 761 at this high. If you gotta break out this high with some aggression. So 61.50. So I do it there. Another long position. 61.50. And that right there is just gonna have to be a trailing stop. And I would stop, set my stop loss at can't do a dollar move. That'd be insane. Let's set it right here around here where I see a lot of bear imbalances where they could take back over. So 761, 50 cent. I put it right there. And that's just to play the trail. Market open in 4 more minutes. Right now we're looking bearish. We're above the VWAP. So for this opening drive, I like to see price. If I do have a short position, it's gonna need to close below this VWAP, come back up in the retracement phase, and I see it that way. And read the DOM price letter. Look at that right now. We all just selling off. Like it's a lot of selling going on. People probably taking their profits from yesterday overnight calls, things like that. But we're gonna see how it react in this area once it come back down to that 760, which we already in 760.88 right now. So now I'm gonna go back to the 1 hour. Well, 1 hour right here. Turn on my SVP session volume profile. Session volume profile already on. I'm just checking out what's going on. The value area has rolled since yesterday. Value from here to here. That could be a good down move if we break this and retest it. So I'm looking for a retest as well. And price can fall from here to here quickly. We got low volume nodes on the session. You see that this bid this offer just increased. We got more aggressive sellers. So we got support from the aggressive sellers saying that we're not gonna let this price go up any higher because of this area. Let me make sure y'all can see right here. I can do it like this. So this area right here, what I'm clicking on, let me change it up. Nah, that's not it. Go back to the cross. So this area right here, low volume node, price can jet up fast. Price was not accepted above the value area high. So we can have a down move to the value area low, which isn't too far. 80 cent move. See how they play out. I'm not gonna scalp that. But I see how it react when it breaks here and how it read on the time it sells. So this SPY, technical analysis pretty much done. Market about to open. So we about to focus, lock in, read its time it sells, DOM, and just see what go on like in the first 5 minutes. Start the day off with 0. Right now, it's the SPX. I'm just looking for call walls, projections for the day. Tap in on the focus. And see, we got a big put. It's a call wall, put wall. This should act as support. It's projecting that this price probably will go down. So we better find out here. This is the SPX. Keep y'all updated on that. Got price rising to the session value area high of the pre-market. Here we go on the 5 minute. Try to expand this. If we can break that with some aggression, I'm watching the approach. Time and sales. We got some bid stacking. But we still just let it play out. People just placing so many orders. I'm on the tick chart now. I'm waiting on my perfect setup as usual. Bear and balance. Can we overcome that? Right, what I said, we can't break that point. And look like we might have a breakout here. So I'm getting ready. Got everything set. Today, August 4th. Just catching $50 calls. So 0.50 to 0.1. I might be late on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the call. 766, just one. Want to see it come back. What's happening to the ass? They fading away. Time and sales hitting hard. They getting aggressive. $5,000. That's a wall right there. I'm gonna go over here to the minute. So now I got a new entry. We break here. We'll go ahead and make this call. I'm in the call. We got a stack bid. And we have an offer. They keep refreshing, but it's fading. Price going away. Time and sales with green. Aggressive selling. Buying. Still hold this in. $10 stop loss. So I got in at 65. I get out at 55. Let's go with a 40% profit. $24. And I can move these as is. But once my stop loss set, I hit that, just a bad trade. I need to go ahead and get out. Ass fading, 6,000, 8 through it. Keep refreshing, 74. And my stop loss might be getting hit. Most of the time, it's pretty boring. And that's what we needed right there. All these orders working. Got some aggressive buying going on. I like the chart. I read it a lot. So these are my buy orders. I want to see these increasing. You'll see these pop up. So 680, 1,000, you feel me? 2,000. We just steadily increasing. Now at this point, we're trying to eat the bid. We got all these aggressive sellers, and even up here, it's gonna tick higher. We're ticking higher. I'm just reading. Slow down somewhat. $3. Can they continue to push? 5,000. Look at that. Big stack. Making higher highs. Time of sales. Got a lot of red printing, but that price isn't going anywhere. We're still ticking up. Even with the red printing, it's consuming. I mean, 1,000, 3,000. You're going to see this on the time of sales. It's moving so fast, so it's hard to see right now. So now I can move my stop loss to 65. That way we ain't losing no money. Set it at 68. It's all about just making that profit. We're already at 70. We're above the session volume profile. Stop loss 68 may get hit. This is a bear candle right here. We're gonna see what happened on the footprint. And it's a moment of truth. Stop loss hit. I wouldn't say this a bearish candle right here. Up $1. Just a good opening move. Get your feet wet. Okay. Now the ask is stacking. Sit back and wait. Got a lot of support down here. So pretty much just being patient. Check out this CVD. Got a fair value gap that had formed on the 1 minute time frame. So I'm gonna zoom in here because that'd be a great entry for call position. Take that down. So we got this fair value gap that's already mitigated. We have this smaller fair value gap on the 1 minute, and the price then pulled back into where I'm at, where I want it to be. Read the DOM. See what's going on. It's too much right here. I like to see it fading away, but they're pretty persistent right now. It's a bear from a bear concept. I don't see much imbalance going on. That's why I like to see in some candles imbalance. Got bull imbalance. Are they pulling there? I really don't see a setup right now. But that all-time high order block is showing support. We got support. There's projections right here of the possible price. Let me refresh that. Okay, that's better. They're projecting the price head down for the S&P 500 at this call wall. I need a bag of these. We still haven't gotten to a second position yet. I'm just waiting. Looking at the gamma. Favorite calls. You know, we got some things going on. Go back to the focus mode. Okay, now this is a possible trigger right here. Small transaction at the bottom. Time of sales lighting up red, price going up. 767. Taking small, small gains over anything. Some call buys. Got imbalance below. Got a lot of sellers trapped right here. Just on low volume. A lot of aggression hit. Reading the DOM. We got stack, ask, bid is thinning. I'm just watching the numbers. Are they gonna support the move? Is this price up? Is the bid going up? Are they gonna find that liquidity at that call wall? We struggling right now. Back to trading view. So on a micro level, we had a change of character occur, came back into the order block. So now what I like to see is that this price break here. Can we break this, then come back and continue to go up? So this would be my new entry. Break that. Because this was my order block, caused change of character. We're back inside the order block right now. It's on the 1 minute I'm looking at. It's 15, that's my 5 up there. Let's zoom back out, look at this hour. I'm gonna go ahead and change it now to 15. Put this as my 30. It's gonna be my 5. Still not no trades yet, I'm just waiting. Hit that call wall once again. I'm looking for a put setup, short setup. Stack time and sales, we dropping. Look at all them trappers. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this put. Gotta show some more aggression though. Before I do, made plenty of mistakes by just not waiting. Got it projected price going lower. And I'm gonna go ahead. As soon as it break, I'm in on the VWAP. We hit the VWAP support. So I'm in. Maybe not a good move. Go ahead, close that position. See what happened when they hit that call wall, down 10, down 12. It's a bad move I made because it hit that VWAP. Stack. It's time to go ahead and get out. Let's see. Hit that call wall once again. Probably would have been best for me to wait there instead of waiting and hitting that support. But we learning, we growing. Yeah, that's looking. Let me go ahead and get out of this one. Cause that stack, good thing I got out. Looking for a small transaction. So I'm gonna go with the value and drop. Now I lost that. Still waiting on my candles. I got some imbalance at the top. Smaller transaction. Less people buying that high. Time and sales. Bid. I'm just gonna wait. Down $15 right now. See how this CBD looking. Not in position, not in any position right now currently. We just hit the value area high, rejected it, returning to the point of control where the price will stall for a second. CVD made a lower low, so buyers getting absorbed. It's the 1 minute time frame. Crack this, I'm gonna go ahead and get back in. Crack below here should be my entry, but it had to be with some aggression. Once again, retest that call wall. Remember, I made that first mistake getting in too early and lost money. We try that call wall. Not again. Just being patient to catch something good. It's 762 all-time high. Let's see. I'm trying to push this price up, make that money. I'm on the same thing. I'm just gonna ride the wave with them, to be honest with you. whatever way it go. I ain't really biased right now. I ain't trying to say it's gonna do this, it's gonna do that. Nah, you just waiting till the opportunity present itself. Already got that set up. Well, that's not the right day. August 4th. There we go. See how much these contracts cost. Okay. Yeah, these gonna move better. Like I said, I ain't really on no side right now. Try to get rid of all distractions. We ticking up on the tick chart. A lot of green. Look like we about to break out. So 64. What we doing? Call wall. All that. Well, dang. There she go. She exploded. By a call. See if I can catch some of this. That was an explosive move. See a volume being accepted. Down $10 on that. Computer freezing up. Still in this call trade. Pretty much just going with the flow right now. Way above it, and volume is being accepted. So we about to have a new value area, pushing price up on the bid. As you can see, lifting the ask. Man, look at that, 5,000 supporting that move, 98, 97. It ran through that. A lot of aggressive sellers going in. Want to see this right here go up. Get lower. People not being as aggressive. We still in it. Still ain't hit that $10 stop loss. I'm gonna do a $15 stop loss on this one. So I got in at 102, so 85, 87. Computer lagging right now. So this for 50%. My orders in. 87. Gotta get out. That'd be 15. Look like we holding support. Big got this stacked crazy. And you just gotta ride this move right here. Back to break even. This is 764 call for August 26th today. We riding. With liquidity, what's going on? 24, 22. Got some absorption occurring, but we don't have a lot of aggression from buyers. To this light up green, see a green block. So we in the green, $6. Go ahead and move this to 90. Save me $3 more. Now my stop loss at 12. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move it to $1 at least. I'm breaking even. So where that dollar at? Let's see if this big can catch these offers, these aggressiveness. Hit a call wall, wasn't that strong though. Let's see if we can retest it. Still positive delta. Look like we might get hit. 94. Back to my original 87. $15. Yeah, got hit. Down 30 on the day. Still at the value area high on the session. So now I done took 2 trades, lost $30. A lot of red lighting up, time to sell. Go to this 1 minute chart. It's a perfect setup for a call right here if we could break that. So I'm gonna go back to the call. You gotta break this candle though. I wanna see it light up green. Then light up green for me. See if we come back to here for a short. You at the value area high, we testing that. We testing that right now. Let's see what happens. Can we get a bounce? If we can get a bounce from here, that'd be great. Great call entry. But see, you can only scalp to got it wick through. So let's go to the session. Draw Fibonacci. Just so I can see levels clear on this swing. So we bounced off the value area high. A lot of trap sellers here, which can accelerate the move up. Computer lagging again. So I'm 0 for 2 today. It's red lit up. I want to see a tilt. That's it right there. I'm going to go ahead and get in. Even though the bid stack $10. Still got a lot of aggressive selling going on. Hasn't made a higher high. And there it go. So we at $1. Average at 91 now. Set this stop loss at 85. We still green. Let's say $2. Then trail to stop. At 97, we almost back to where I was at. See how this DOM looking. And keep refreshing that bid. I'll take $20. I'm gonna close it manually. Hitting another call wall right now, so I'm just being patient. What it's gonna do at this call wall. Selling going on. Bid stack. Time to get out. Wait till it hit 55. So 75. It's going through that call wall. Look like we're gonna have another run today. So down 56. So I'm just being patient. Just gotta be patient. As you can see. You see how this CVD looking. I like the reversals, but you got negative delta. Got support. We'll get back that 56, so I ain't really worried about that. Positive delta. I'm gonna buy out the money call. Froze up. Might be the internet. Can't make no trade right now. really seeing anything significant. Let me get off this 1 minute. See, we'll lose you. Look like it's a trending day. A pullback to the VWAP would be perfect. It's a big call wall up here. Maybe that's where we're going. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into a call. We're gonna ride it. When the bid is so supported, it's gonna be hard to get through there. Look at all that. Is it building? 36.42. Might have a breakout. Man on another call, $72. We got so much stacked down here, I had to do it. Volume being accepted above the value area high. We saw this yesterday. I'm in the 676 call. And we just holding. Set the stop loss right here, 763, about 50 cents away. A little battle going on. Looking for signs of, well, there's aggressive sellers that goes against my trade, but the price isn't dropping. So we know it's getting absorbed. So we know a breakout bet to happen. Bet to get a couple of these points back. Let's look at the DOM. Buys thousands and thousands. Aggressive selling. Aggressive buying. See how the price react. Got absorbed. Okay. Bid stacking, they supporting this move. A lot of aggressive sellers. Trap. Need the aggressive sellers to keep increasing. 5,000, 6,000. As we tick up though. Price didn't move. Down $4. Almost hit my $10 limit. Just gonna be patient and wait. Check out this SPX real quick. So it's a call wall at 774. 674. So we got a call wall there. Okay, we're a little ways away. Got a clean EMA stack on SPY. So I wouldn't be no point of rushing into a put right now. It's not a good candle for me. Just being patient. What if it can get to 670 today? Drop this tick down, see what's going on a smaller time. Yup. Yeah, go through 64 after 67. Lift that ask. That's what we want. Still not at that call wall yet. 766 call. Computer again. Gotta get something new. Let that load back up. Name of the game is not to get married to anything. That's the key. Just letting it run right now. Up $10. Looking at the DOM. Ass so low. I mean, it's not stacked. So yeah, right here, this the price. 255. These numbers, the same numbers over here. It's just pumping right now. Just fading away. The ass thinning. Fading. Getting ready for a breakout. I'm more of a reversal trader, but can't miss opportunities like this. And there go that break. Okay. It's being accepted. CBD still going up. SPY on the 1 minute looking good. Got another level to beat. And there we go. You beat that. Beat them sellers. 765.01. And this is the call wall. Stop loss up. Just because it's a wall doesn't mean it can't go through it. Seeing a lot of negative delta open at this wall. A lot of pending orders, but guess what? The price still push. And it possibly will push through that call wall. If it has enough, it can, and it will. Got a large negative delta though. It's the only concern right there. Move my stop loss to 72. Just set this, I always set it at 200 because I let it run. So this basically would be a free trade. All this green, aggression. Still testing that call wall. It's a lot of liquidity right here. Let's see the DOM. Real time. Set this tick to about 5. Get past 12, we might have a run. And then there we go. Can have a run after 12. I'm gonna adjust this. Take some of that profit with me. I'm gonna go ahead and go to 85. $13. And we bypassing that call wall. Getting that money back that we had lost. Got my stop loss set at 85. So might come back to retest that call wall down here. Trading view. I want to see if we getting accepted. I'm trying to get back to the, okay. Got another level we could possibly push through. Up 35 so far. Got selling activity going on. Price is not responding to that. And there goes some selling activity. Run into the car wall. Can we build back up? Look like we can. I mean, we're facing a lot of pressure, so let me head over to the VIX, see what's going on. Go to the 5-minute VIX. 1 minute. I think this chart inverted. Stop loss got hit. Took something home though. Down 43. So next time set that stop loss a little bit higher to trail it to run. Seeing what's going on. A lot of aggression, but bulls picking back up into it. Letting it stack. So we could possibly be going down to 63. See what happened. Flash red for me. Just waiting. Seeing what happened with this candle. Got 3 minutes in it. There we go, that flash red. Reloading on that bid. It's a lot of power. We're going back to the value area high, so I'm looking for a retest before I even enter there. I enter a short if it break it and possibly hit back to the point of control. I want to see it come back up and try that wall again. 64 to 65 drop, dollar drop that quick. See how it go. Getting absorbed right now. Go ahead, get in that put. Chase that. Be picking back up. It's a bad move. Down 52 on the day. Back to that 52. It's all good. We did the trade another day. What's going on the tick chart? CBD. green, $3. Yeah, reach an all-time high. Might start ranging. We at the value area high. So let's see how this go. Got a bounce from it and it rolls up. In this area. Price pull back. We're not guessing nothing. Just holding steady. Pulling back into the order block right here. I'm just waiting. Waiting. We're coming back down aggressively. Wow, really aggressive. Timing sales red, aggressive sellers. Price stalling, being absorbed. Price not going any higher. Ticking up, ticking down, back and forth. Okay, like bulls regaining control. But on the tick chart, lower lows, lower highs, possibly get this roll over. Just got absorbed all those sales, aggressive sales. Let's check out the CVD. Making the lower low, lower high. So buyers getting absorbed on this 1 minute time chart. Almost down $20. Like we had a double top form and we going down. A lot of green buying, aggression. Just gonna hold on. It's going my way. More red aggression. I like to see it break here. We're all red. Not right here, but try to move it up to here. Negative delta increase on the absorption attempt. Big absorption, call wall. Just let this run pretty much. It's a lot of negative delta. And we at the point of control on the session. So yeah, it makes sense for the price to stall. But we still ticking down. At 69, you can see everything on here. Once the order get tapped, it's gonna pop up pretty much on here. It's not going too fast. Ticking down. $260 sales, 80, 200, 200, 200, 80. Bid and tilt. Slide this back over. We below the point of control on TradingView. That call wall real heavy up there. With a support level. Still at the point of control. And we pulling back into this fair value gap. So a lot of people seeing this and probably say I'm gonna enter as a bull. It's making sense right now. I want to see what happened with this price. Got some trap sellers, which would be me. I'm a trap seller right now, but I didn't buy that low. I had bought around this range right here. So I'm still trapped, not profitable right now. Bid and shifted. Looking ugly for me. Set my stop loss right here. There's a big spike up on this 5-minute chart. Did that. With bullish rally. Down 70. I'm just telling you, anything can happen though. Get reversed real quick. Got some positive delta, negative delta. Just looking for some confluence. Like I said, hit that fair value gap. Everybody saw that and said, okay, that's a good entry. So now, the order block right here. This is 765.35 should be my stop loss. It's the edge of the order block. Had a double bottom occur. CVD rising. So this telling me it's just really pretty much bull season. Inside this order block. Well, not yet. 65.13 would be inside the order block. We at 65.04. So on the 1 minute time frame, we had a lower lows and lower highs form. Now we having a higher high. And I want to see if this when we pull back down, will it be a lower high? If that's the case, I definitely got to get out this trade on this pullback retracement phase. See how it act when they come back and test this change of character occurred. We can also have this 1 minute. This would be considered a breaker block. This could be a supply zone for bulls re-entry. So I'm gonna see how it happens. We in the stacked and balanced area. Are we previously stacked and balanced? Just low volume. Computer lagging. I enter another put position if we break this candle. So this would be another. Yeah. Once again, it hit that fair value gap. Now we entering into this order block. Like I say, 35, 38. It should be 38. Say 40. Give myself a little bit of room to breathe. Yeah. A lot just happened that fast, didn't it? Starting to get active at that put wall. Break this candle, I'm gonna add a position. There's a lot going on. Just like they just got exhausted, right? Try to zoom in, see what happened. Tried to hit all them orders, small transaction. A lot of bulls. Like I said, we cracked this, I'm gonna add another position. I'm not wanting to close this position just yet, even though I'm down so bad, because it's just looking like we about to roll over. Got a double top, mini double bottom formed in that. And the value area high at that. Price stalling. $65.04. Correct, that is invalidated. It's about time to get up out of there. Stack, pulling. See how this closed. 2 minutes. So we got another swing. Break of structure occurred. Tested, found support. All that time in sales. Flash red. Down 90 on the day. We're not gonna blow this account though. I'm on the wrong side. But this negative delta is just sometimes it don't make sense. You get so deep in the position, you be like, dang, I don't want to close, but you still have to and just take that loss, cut that loss short. Froze on me again. Got a doji forming on the 1 minute at the value area high. Just waiting on the roll. Still wouldn't be a good candle for a bear setup. I want to see it tick down with more aggressive sellers entering. That'd be a confirmation that, doing something good. 68, 71. It's a lot of aggressive bias, but the price not moving up. Aggressive sellers. You're supporting that bid. I tell you that. She fading though. Go down. Mute this mic for a second. Yeah. So today we made $329 profit. Done for the day. We're gonna go ahead and call it a wrap and let the market be the market. We made our money and we're gonna keep it going. Hope y'all enjoyed the show. Y'all seen me down. I was down $100. Something I really realized if I would have had everything done correctly, you know what I'm saying? I'll go back and review later on. It would have been 400 and some change, 400 and some more, because I would have had more capital to add to building these positions up. So I hope y'all enjoyed the show, and that's how it go.